Safe and accurate prenatal testing is here. As early as 9 weeks into your pregnancy, you can test for Down syndrome and other conditions that might be affecting your fetus by providing a simple blood draw. Panorama prenatal test was developed by Natera to check for these conditions as early and as accurately as possible. It is completely safe for both you and your fetus without any risk of miscarriage. When you are pregnant, some of your fetus's DNA circulates in your bloodstream. We use a special DNA technology to separate the maternal DNA from the fetal DNA, which lets us screen for Down syndrome and other conditions. The Panorama prenatal test is special. It uses a new and better approach that gives more accurate results than other non-invasive prenatal tests. Panorama has been used in many clinical trials and is shown to give the most accurate results available. So, how does the Panorama test work? It's as easy as 1. Ask your doctor about the Panorama test. 2. Get your blood drawn. 3. Review your results with your doctor. Along with receiving your personalized results in just 7 to 10 days, Natera has a website that includes a variety of resources and helpful links. Just visit www.panoramatest.com. In addition to being safe and reliable, the Panorama test is affordable and backed by our patient access program to make your options easy. At Natera, we've worked to develop the most accurate and comprehensive non-invasive prenatal test available because you deserve it.